Nevertheless, as we continue to prepare, there can be some adjustments, but rest assured that the 11 prosecutors are already on its full swing of preparation. So come the pre-trial and the trial, you will expect that the 11 prosecutors will be there to appear before the impeachment court.
Good afternoon, Honorable House Leaders, esteemed members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the House of Representatives, and we thank everyone for taking the time to join us for today's press conference. I'm Ryan Ponce Pacpaco, your moderator. At this point, allow me to acknowledge the 11 members of the House Prosecution Panel, led by Lead Prosecutor, House Committee on Justice Chairperson, Attorney Gerbil Jinky Betrix Luistro, Batangas. House Committee on Public Accounts Chairman, Terry L. Redon of Bicol Saro Party List. Deputy Majority Leader Rodrigo Rods L. Gutierrez of One Rider Party List. House Committee on Justice Vice Chairperson and House Assistant Majority Leader Isabel Maria J. Zamora of San Juan. House Senior Deputy Majority Leader Lawrence Defensor of Iloilo. House Assistant Minority Leader Jose Manuel Shell I. Jokno. Former Justice Secretary and former Senator turned House Senior Deputy Minority Leader Leila M. De Lima of Mamamayang Liberal Party List. Well, of course, House Deputy Minority Leader Kaka J. Bagao of Dinagat Island, who is currently in her district. House Committee of Dangerous Drugs Chairman Jonathan Kit Flores of Bukidnon. House Committee on Public Information Chairman Lordan G. Suwan of Cagayan de Oro City. And House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability Chairman Joel Archua of Manila. To formally start the press briefing, may we now hear first the opening remarks of Lead Prosecutor Chairperson Jinky Luistro. Ma'am, you may proceed po.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. This is actually our first appearance as members of the prosecution panel of the House of Representatives. We would like to update our beloved countrymen that the panel of prosecutors are ready to appear before the impeachment court. As we have witnessed yesterday, the impeachment court already convened, and we commend the action of the Senate of the Philippines for responding to the mandate of the Constitution. Nevertheless, let us all be reminded that what is mandated to be forthwith is not only the convening, it is the trial that is mandated to be forthwith. We therefore look forward that after the pre-trial, we will immediately proceed to the presentation of witnesses, presentation of evidence, and consequently to the judgment. By judgment, it's only either acquittal or conviction. We are currently preparing already for the forthcoming pre-trial and trial of these articles of impeachment, and I wish to share with you the teams that we have created. You will remember that the articles are summarized into 4. Article 1 pertains to threats and destabilization. No. This is actually just a list of the assignment per article that was given to the 11 prosecutors. But this does not necessarily follow the way it was presented in the articles of impeachment. And this does not follow as well the sequence by which the same will be presented. This is a matter which is still being discussed. But nevertheless, we wish to share with you that for threats and destabilization, this is led by our colleague, our STML, Kong Lawrence Defensor. And with Kong Lawrence Defensor as members of this article or team, we have Kong Laila de Lima, Kong Bel Zamora, and this representation. Another article is bribery. And this article is being led by Congressman Joel Chua. Joining him in the article of bribery are Congressman Rog Gutierrez, Congresswoman Kakabag-Aw, and Congresswoman Bel Zamora. Another article is unexplained wealth. This article is being led by Congressman Terry Ridon. And with him are the following: Congressman Chel Jokno, Congressman Kakabag-Aw, Congressman Rog Gutierrez. This representation, Congressman Joel Chua, Congresswoman Laila de Lima, Congressman Lorden Suwan, and finally, Congressman Jonathan Keith Flores. The fourth article is confidential fund. This is to be led by this representation. And with me in this team are the following: Congressman Joel Chua, Congressman Lawrence Defensor, Congressman Rog Gutierrez, Congressman Lorden Suwan, Congressman Jonathan Keith Flores, Congressman Chel Jokno, and Congressman Terry Ridon. Like what I have said, this is the assignment so far with respect to the 4 articles of impeachment as to the participation which the 11 prosecutors will be handling. Nevertheless, as we continue to prepare, there can be some adjustments, but rest assured that the 11 prosecutors are already on its full swing of preparation. So come the pre-trial and the trial, you will expect that the 11 prosecutors will be there to appear before the impeachment court. So for the opening statement, that is quite short, but of course, the 11 prosecutors, the 10, are ready to answer your questions.